30 foot though. This is a Rockwood 8265 KBS Park River.
The hope of the world on
You can get it today
that
for 43.
blessed morn. Angels above sang, their voices filled the air, whispering love for those who would care. The heavens opened wide, a miracle displayed. A child was sent, the depths of sin dismayed. Noel, Noel, the King is here today, with love and mercy shining, lighting our way. Our Savior born to heal the broken heart. In every soul he plays a vital part. Guided by the star, wise men traverse the night, bearing gifts of gold, they sought the holy light. With reverent heart staying, and knelt in his grace, finding salvation in that sacred place. Let us come together, each voice raised high, to celebrate.
One of those fancy handles. All right. This is my baby over there. Let's check out. Okay, I like that. I have that covered. Like
Yeah.
that. You don't have to any guests messing with it.
I like this here because you have a cut.
Yeah, I do like that. Nothing there. Look. Oh, that must be a panel for something. I like the bedroom.
Yeah.
That looks like a king size bed.
It is.
Nice. This is Shelly's. This is all Shelly's right here. Oh, it has crop loaded drawers.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Pantry.
They have 6 and 2 big ones in the bottom here. Then they have this little thing. Then you have this little shelf here, a little shelf over here. Shelves on the top there. Maybe a CPAP machine to fit there, I'm not sure. But it might fall on your head. These don't stay up.
That's nice.
It has its own air conditioning. Fuse boxes down there. Any power over here? Yeah, right there by the bed. Cool. And one over there too. And then one right there. So plenty. And usually those things now have, yep, I see them, USBs. The lights have USB connections. Yeah, I definitely like that little breakfast nook there, or bar, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, let me check out my baby. And you're right across.
Yeah.
It looks like it's bigger than 32.
Yeah.
That's
This
one
is
of the,
very, very
that's
nice.
one of the slide outs. Huh. That refrigerator tells me that this is not a 24 or 25. I just had plenty of these left and they need to get rid of them. I don't mind these refrigerators though. That is deep.
I know, big pantry.
Yeah, that is deep. You can put a couple shelves in there. And that's deep too. And that's That's the kitchen from over there. It has outlet. Your gas detector. Ooh. Here comes the trash can. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, soft close, babe. Yeah. Sponge. That must be a false.
Yeah, that's big. The only thing it doesn't have.
It even has a backsplash here.
Yeah. No fireplace.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the only thing. Yeah.
That one could have been, well, I don't know, but that's probably the heater, where the heater's at, I think. I'm not sure. It has a nice big mirror, though. Windows. And this TV is, I don't have my glasses on. That's definitely a 40 inch, maybe. 38 inch? I don't know if they go with that. Regular microwave. Alright, so we got a pocket door here. Toilet, looks like you got plenty of room, leg room. Yeah, that's what I think I like. Whoa, wardrobe. A lot of storage. In case you didn't see this. Hanging storage. We don't even have that seat on there that you like. Yeah, that shower is big.
I know, it is very big.
Is it? I don't know if it's tall because that's a big step. But you can always sit down and take a shower. And then you have a place where you can put your toilet paper and some cleaning supplies. And the max air fan is remote because that's the remote right there.
Yeah, this is very, very nice.
Yeah. Very good.
Yep.
Yeah, I like it too.
I hope you loved the video.
Hey Dave, what's going on?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.